units, whatever we have said the other day. Now, when you look at scale, there are actually two types. One is length scale. Length scale is the one that you're very familiar. So for example, 1 cm is to 2 meter, right? So this is no problem. And then another one is called area scale. Now, for area scale, you need to understand how to convert. Now, how do I convert to area scale? Area is known as length times breadth, this area, right? Agree? So if I say 1 cm, how to convert 1 cm to area? So I will say 1 times 1 cm squared. Do you understand? Don't understand already. Now, then may I ask you, if I have a plot of land 1 cm and 1 cm, how do I find the area? 1 times 1, no? Now you understand why is it 1 times 1? Oh, because 1 times 1 times 1, 1 cm times 1 cm is 1 cm square ma. Try again. 1 cm times 1 cm equal to 1 cm square. Cm times cm, not cm square meh? Cm square, right? But if I talk about the actual area on the ground is not 1 cm. 1 cm is very small. The actual area is 2 meter times 2 meter. How do I calculate the area? 2 meter times 2 meter, 4 meter square. Meter square. Do you follow? So if I look at the area scale, it looks something like 1 cm square times 4 meter square. If I look at the length scale, it looks something like 1 cm is to 2 cm. So you have to look at the question and see which one do you use. Do you use area scale or length scale? Now let's look at some question to help you. Let's look at some question to help you. So I want to find the actual area of the land. Do I use area scale or length scale? Area scale, because I want to find the actual area, right? So this is what I write. Length scale, map is to actual, 1 is to 40,000. Do you understand how I get this? Yes, right? So 1 over 40,000, I can express as 1 is to 40,000. Is this okay? Okay. Now, but this itself, there's no unit, so there's no meaning to it. So I need to have some useful units. Meaning to say, hopefully I can have some units so that it will help me. Look at the question here. It says, find the area in km square. Which means my length, I hope to have 1 cm is how many km? Do you agree? Okay. So do you understand so far for the yellow one? Understand. Now convert to area scale. 1 cm, if I want to convert to area, is 1 cm times 1 cm. Do you understand why is it 1 cm square? Yes. How about 0.4? Same thing, I have 0.4 km times 0.4 km. I ask you, what is the area? So you got to tell me what is what? 0.4 times 0.4, right? Length times breadth, right? And then hence I have this as the unit, the scale. Now you understand? Now the next part is easy already. It says that the area of the land is 4 cm times 8 cm square. So can you tell me 4 cm times 8 cm, is it map or actual? Map. So you can write down the map area equal 4 times 8, 32 cm squared. Agree? My question, if I want to put 32, do I put under the map or the actual map? I need to put here, right? So therefore, I'm able to, where's my mouse? I'm able to write 32. Do you agree? And therefore, how to get 32? I times 32. Here I also times 32. So then I have my final answer. Do you understand? So this is done. B can do? Cannot. Now, do I need to write down the A answer? can I write down the A answer? 0.16 times 32, 5.12 km squared, right? Okay, let's do B. Now, question B. Either I will use my length scale or I use my area scale. Can you suggest which one should I use? Area scale. So can you write down area scale? Map is to actual is 1 cm square is to 0.16 km square. Any questions about these two statements? Any question about these two statements? No. Next question. The actual ground is 1.6 km square. Means I will write under the map or under the actual. Actual. So 1.6 km square. Is it easy to multiply a number to get 1.6? Which means 0.16 times what number will give you 1.6? 10. So you multiply by 10. So same thing here, I also multiply by 10. So this is 10 cm square. And this is my answer. Am I correct? Just like that lor. Easy or not? Okay, do I need to go through the next question? Do you want to try? You got the answer, right? C, you got the answer, right? C, the answer is 12.5. Okay. There any other question? No. So you now you understand. Okay, good. So can I stop the video here?